Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Danny and Donna's behind the camera, and we are forever dreaming. Today we're going to take you on an epic whitewater kayaking ride. And right now we're at our cabin in North Georgia and we're fixing to hit the Chattahoochee. So stay tuned. You don't want to miss this one.
Welcome to our channel. We are forever dreaming. We are Danny and Donna. If you're new here, we take you along with us as we travel in our truck camper, towing our Jeep behind us, and exploring this world around us. We show you how we do it, where we stay, and where we go while we're there to have fun. We also give you tips about what we find that makes things better and easier. We invite you to subscribe to our channel to see where the next adventure takes us. Stay tuned to see what we're doing now. Danny and I went whitewater rafting a couple of years ago, and we flipped and he lost his hat, but it was a really cool experience. I've never been whitewater kayaking before, but we just called a little while ago and found out that there's a 100% chance we're going to get wet today, and there's 50 to 75% chance that the kayak is going to flip over. So if you guys want some excitement, keep watching. We got the beast parked underneath the carport right there, and it's a very steep incline from the carport down to the cabin. I just put on a shirt because it's supposed to be a lot cooler today. I tell you, it's been hot until this week. This week things have really cooled down here in Georgia.
So right now we're coming off of our mountain and we're going to a place called Wildwood Outfitters. This is a class 2s, class 3s kayaking. We were going to do a double. They recommended not doing a double because of the rapids, and they said you're definitely going to flip if you're in a double, so they recommended that we do single kayaks. So
I'm kind of an adrenaline junkie, so I love this kind of stuff.
all right, we made it to Wildwood Outfitters. Now we're going to go check in, so follow us along.
Our kayaks are loaded up in the trailer, as you can see right here, and we got to get our life vest and our helmet, and we're going to load up on the shuttle.
These boats, you want to keep them pointed in the direction that you're moving. Most people flip them when they turn sideways and hit a rock.
So lean towards the rock if you get stuck.
Here we go. So I wasn't nervous about this before, but I'm a little bit nervous now after hearing all the safety directions. Are you excited, honey? I hope we get video that's worth this risk of the camera.
All right, put your stuff on.
What color do you want?
Yellow. Okay, I'm working my way down to the kayak. Come on, Danny. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, come on.
So tip, use your paddle to help you get down the rocks. And the best thing to do is you butt first when you go in. So sit down, put butt first, and then strap it over your knees and adjust your foot pegs.
So you're gonna put me in first. I get my knees adjusted under the straps, and then you're gonna push me in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and then just step over here.
All right.
And turn around and drop your butt right here.
No.
Yeah, did I get you? That's all right.
What row? Are you having fun so far?
Yeah, but that was a workout.
Yeah, I got stuck a few times.
I got stuck a lot.
So this little area you pulled out is a place I guess people come to kayak, fish, and hike.
Yeah, there's people that are trout fishing right here on the rocks.
Yeah, georgiacabins.io. And there's a cabin over there. And there's people out there on the rocks. Give me time. I'm better if I can think through a situation and try to figure out. Remember, I got a process. Do I want to push from the back or the front? Because somehow I want to get myself straight. To make sure I made it okay.
You're a pro. I'm tired. Are you?
Yeah, a little bit. I flipped, but my head didn't go under.
Oh, I remember.
But
I rolled.
the camera was saved. These cables I've got it hooked to. So I got it hooked to these cables right here. And it survived. Okay, we made it back. You just have to drag your kayak up this hill. And Danny said these steps are a little sketchy. He is right. All kinds of stuff attached to the life vest.
So it took us 3 hours, and I don't know if you can tell, but we're both pretty winded.
Yeah.
Take your helmet off, Slim.
I look like a dork.
So what did you think?
It was really cool. I had a lot of fun. I wish I had had a different mount for the camera so it didn't move so much, but I'd definitely do it again with a different mount for the camera so I could record it again, because it was fun being able to record it. What'd you think, babe?
I liked it. It was definitely energetic. You kind of burned some calories. I don't think I would recommend it for beginners, but if you're adventurous and you've never done it before, you'd be okay. You are going to get wet. I don't care how good you are, you're going to get wet.
Even if you don't fall out, you're gonna get wet.
Yeah, I flipped once where I got caught, and I rolled a couple times, and if I didn't have the helmet on, I would have hit my head on the rocks. So make sure you wear your helmets. And at the very end, Donna fell out.
My head did not go under the water.
Yeah, but she was caught up in the waterfall part where she went sideways and she got stuck and flipped.
Yeah, so the kayak turned over and the rushing waters were just so strong. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know if I should just let the kayak go and try to catch it down the river or what, but I ended up flipping it back over, grabbed the camera and my water bottle, and I put it back in the kayak, kind of straightened it out, and then I just kind of jumped back in the kayak and I floated on down, and
Yeah, she did good.
my head never touched the water.
I had to beach mine and walked up to make sure she was okay though, because she was struggling there for a few minutes.
I told
she
him,
did good.
I told him, don't come get me. Just let me process this. Let me think
She
this
did
through
good.
and figure out how to get out of the situation.
I was on the other side of the rapids in case she went down. I could, I don't know, wave to her when she went by.
Yeah.
But that was about it.
It was still so much fun. It was exhilarating. It was an adrenaline rush. It was fun.
Thanks for watching. If you like this, please like and subscribe. It really helps us out. And we got more adventures coming.
Yes, we do.